Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2023 BMW X4 xDrive30i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic on Tacora Red. Alright, so this is the 2023 BMW X4 xDrive30i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. And I just pressed the unlock button there so you can see that headlight welcoming animation. Let me just do a little stroll around the vehicle so you can see what we have going on here. The X4 is definitely very popular. However, we don't sell them to nearly the same amount of X3s that we sell. And so every time we get an X4, I do want to try and share it with you guys because it's not common to see one, and so many different cool color combinations and such. So I'm very happy that I have this car to show you, and it is prepped for delivery. It is sold. It's going out shortly. Okay, so right off the bat we have the BMW LED headlights. I think it's kind of cool that you can kind of see through that spot right there. Let me get them on for you, however, so you can see what they look like. A lot of cool little detailing all the way around, and I like that all the headlights actually say what they are in here. Maybe if you're learning what they are, BMW LEDs. I like the shape on the LCI, which came out a little while ago, and also love the fact that we've got this beautiful one-piece kidney grille with this type of design, which is reminiscent of the previous M40i. So you now get this kidney grille, which is really cool, and everything is blacked out. So we've got the lower air duct there, and it looks really good. I really like this design. Now if we come over here to the sides, so we have the body colored wheel arches because this is the M Sport design. So here we have the 20-inch double spoke 699 M wheels in black with the blue M Sport brakes. That looks really good. And then if we look over here on the fender, so we've got that little piece there on the fender, and we've got a body line that comes out of there and kind of goes all the way up and swoops up, creating some dynamic lights here, and dynamic lines. And then we've got body colored side mirrors. We've got the windows tinted at 35%. We have the black window surrounds, black roof rails, panoramic sunroof on top, and we have the shark fin style antenna, which is cool. And we've got the body line cutting through the door handles, which is the outgoing design language. And if we come around to the back, so we've got that LCI design back here. Let me get those rear tail lights on, nice L-shaped tail lights, welcome light carpet. And we've got the freeform exhaust, which we've seen is now the exhaust on the 30i versus the round tips. And I think that looks also really good. And the new rear diffuser also looks really stylish and kind of follows what we're seeing on the G20 LCI. So xDrive30i, this is actually the handle, but we actually have kick to open on this one. So I'm gonna use that to open this. We have the double-decker cargo cover, one piece here, one piece here. And if I lift this up, there's space for both of these cargo covers to be stored here. We also have carpeted floor mats in that storage area. We've got some tools here, so tow hook and wheel lock key seems to be in that box down there. And we have a grocery bag hanger over here, 12-volt plug. And we can pull both of these compartments off the side, so storage compartment down here and another storage compartment down there, which is really nice. And then once this is all put back, so yes, we could press the buttons up here, one to close, another one to close and lock, but being fancy, so I'm just going to kick my foot underneath and we will see the tailgate close. Sweet. All right, if we approach the vehicle from the rear passenger side, we do have comfort access on all four door handles. We also got some little lights on the door handles as well. And it's a little bright, but you can see there's a welcome light carpet. Inside, we have the beautiful carbon fiber interior trim with the blue ambient lighting, which looks really good. And there's the Tacora Red perforated Sensatec seats. The headrest in the center can flip up and can flip down. There's a pass-through through the center, armrest here as well. And on the shoulders, you've got the release levers here, so you can fold down the seats in a 60/40 split. Lower anchors and tethers for child safety seats on the two outer positions. On the back of the center console, we do have some vents, rear climate controls, two USB Type-C charging ports at the bottom, transmission tunnel hump in the center, and up top, we've got the rotating coat hanger thing up at the top on the right-hand side, and on the left-hand side, you've got the rear reading lights. Let's take a look at the front area. All right, so let me just unlock the door there. And here we are. So we have more beautiful carbon fiber trim with the ambient lighting strip. It says X in there, which is kind of cool. It says X4 up there as well if you didn't notice. We have the aluminum M door sill, winter mats, power seat, Tacora Red perforated Sensatec. And there we have more carbon fiber with the iDrive 7. We do have the live Cockpit Professional, but this one does lack the head-up display. We've got a little bit of a storage compartment. We've got USB, cup holders, 12-volt plug. And did you guys know that this little spot actually is the perfect shape to hold your key there? So that's probably what that's for, but nobody ever uses it. We've got your shift knob. We have traction control, park assist view, automatic engine start stop off, your start button, Sport Comfort Eco Pro, hill descent control, auto hold, electronic parking brake, your iDrive controller. And if I lift this up, USB Type-C in there. Now I think this should have been Tacora as well, but nonetheless it still looks really good. Let's go open the door on the driver's side. All right, so if I approach from the driver's side, open up the door, more carbon fiber, memory seats, all of the window controls in galvanic. We have the tailgate button here as well, which can open and close if the key is inside. Put this little mat here, not to dirty the mat, towel so we don't dirty the mat. We've got aluminum M door sill, power seat with lumbar, M Sport steering wheel here with the M badging at the bottom, cruise control, heated steering wheel. We've also got some radio controls, and we also have the paddle shifters on each side. We have board computer, automatic headlights on your signal indicator down here. So we've got your automatic headlights, brighten or dim your interior dash. These are called roadside parking lamps. So if I press one of these, one headlight and one tail light will be on. If you accidentally press this button, you're gonna think that something is burnt out. So just press it again to fix the problem. Storage compartment down here, hood release down here. Let's take a look at what is under the hood. All right, so I just have to lift this up since I've pulled twice, and there it is, the B46 2-liter inline-4 twin power turbo. We have 248 horsepower, 258 foot-pounds of torque. We have your positive battery terminal. Let me just put the cap back on. We have your washer fluid, and we have your negative battery terminal just down there. No dipstick, don't try to find one, and don't put Rain-X in your BMW. Alright, so before we conclude the video, let's try a little remote engine start, cold start. So 1, 2, 3, press the lock button 3 times. Alright, that sounds pretty good, nice little grumble there. Let me just 1, 2, 3 again so that we can shut her off. Beauty. All right, so we're going to do one last walk around the vehicle from a little bit of a further viewing angle so we can get a good idea of what this vehicle looks like. I think this car looks really good. Brooklyn Gray looks good on here as well. I love the Tacora Red and unmistakable design. It looks really good. I like it. You guys let me know what you think of the X4 in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2023 BMW X4 xDrive30i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the Tacora Sensatec inside. You guys let me know what you think. If you like the car, you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.